Hi, welcome to my 15 minutes Pilates session. I hope you enjoy it. So to remember, when we start box exercises, core needs to be engaged, knees need to be hip distance apart and underneath the hips. Hands should be shoulder width apart, with the hands underneath the shoulders. Core engaged, shoulders relaxed. Active arms, so pushing the hands into the mat and lifting the chest away. With the whole of the hand, not just through the heel. So we're going to take the right arm out to the side. Really reach. Bring it out in front and reach. Sweep it back round to the side and take the hand behind the back. Sweep it round, behind. You can touch your shoulder blade. Bring it back out to the side. Rotate the hand as it needs to as you go round. Bring it out in front and stretch. Take it out to the side, behind. Bring it back to the side, out in front. One more. Out to the side, behind the back. Bring it back around, bring it down to the mat. Left arm goes out to the side. Reach, keep everything else nice and stable. Bring it out in front. Bring it back to the side. Sweep it round behind. See if you can touch your shoulder blade. Take it out to the side. Reach. Out in front. Back to the side. Behind the back. Round to the side. Out in front. One last time. Round to the side. Reach. Behind the back. Bring it back round. Bring the hands back underneath shoulders. Make sure the legs are going straight out behind the knees. Core's engaged. Shoulders relaxed. So we're going to take the right arm out in front, the left leg out behind. Reach and stretch. We're then going to take them to the diagonal. Tap the hand and the foot down to the mat. Lift up, bring it back to center, and bring it down. So left arm, right leg, reach and stretch. Take them out to the diagonal, tap them down, lift up, bring them back in line with the body, bring it down. Right arm, left leg. Reach out, keep that torso stable. Take them out to the diagonal. Tap them down. Lift up, reach. Bring them out in line with the body. Bring them back down. Left arm, right leg. Reach and stretch. Out to the diagonal. Touch down. Lift. Bring them back in line with the body. Bring it back down. One more each side. Reach. Out to the diagonal. Touch down. Lift. Back in line with the body. Bring it back to the mat. Last one. Left arm, right leg. Reach and stretch. Core engaged. Out to the diagonal. Touch down. Lift. Bring it back in line with the body. Bring it back down to the mat. Take the knees slightly wider. And you're going to push back into child pose. So sink the chest down between the knees. Reach the fingertips forward. If you want to, you can take the arms slightly wider as well, just to give a deeper stretch across the shoulders and lower back. Keep breathing. And lift the body back up. Bring the knees back in line with the hips. Hands back in line with the shoulders. We're going to tuck the toes under. Lift the knees off the mat. Lift the body up. It's kind of a down dog-ish position, but the body's off the mat. And you're going to see if you can touch your right hand to your left, towards your left toe. Bring it back. Left hand towards your right toe. If you need to bend the knees slightly because of hamstrings, that's fine. So right hand, left foot, and back, left hand, right foot, and back. Keep the core engaged, lifted up away from the mat, left hand, right foot, right hand, left foot. 2 more each side. Last one. Drop back down to the knees. Take the knees slightly wider. Relax the feet. Push back into child pose. Really push the hands forward. Take the hands wider if you need to feel the stretch across the shoulders. Lift up, come back into box. So knees in line with hips, hands in line with shoulders. Core engaged. Tuck the toes under. Lift the knees slightly off the mat. I'm talking centimetre, 2 centimetres. Relax down. Keep the toes tucked. Lift the knees. Hold. Put them down. Don't allow the shoulders to tense when you do it. Just push through the hands. Engage the core. Push, lift the knees. Hold. Bring it back down. 2 more. Lift. Hold. Bring it back down. Last one. Lift. Hold. Bring it down. Untuck the toes. So we're going to lift the right leg. Take it out behind. Stretch. Keep the back nice and straight. We're going to pulse for 10. Point the toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Flex the foot. Keep the leg out. Pulse again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring that one down. Left leg goes out behind. Keep the arms nice and strong. Pushing through the whole of the hand, not just through the heel. Point the toe. Pulse for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Flex the foot. Pulse for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring the leg down. Push back. We're going to come down into puppy. So hands come forward rather than the bum going back. Bum goes up in the air. Tighter stretch on the shoulders. Going to go down as low as is comfortable. Keep breathing. Bring the body back up. I'm going to come round to sitting. A shoulder roll and a couple of wrist circles if you need to. So take the legs out to the side. The left foot is on the front of the right thigh. Make sure you're nice and in line, so the shoulders back. So the arm, shoulder, shoulder, hip and ankle are all in line. The knees are in front of the body. Chest stays forward facing. We drop down to the elbow and we do a side bend. The neck and shoulders relaxed, really reach through the fingertips. And the tighter stretch, we're going to come up through the center. Gently hold somewhere between the knee and the ankle on the right leg and take the left arm up and over and reach. Really try and lift up out of the left hip. Keep the core pulled in, shoulders relaxed. Bring it down to the mat. Come across. Lift up, gently hold the leg, stretch. Bring it down to the mat, the last one in each direction on this side. We sweep the legs around to the other side. Make sure you're nice and lined up. So shoulder, shoulder, hip and ankle. Drop down to the elbow. Make sure the chest stays high. This left shoulder stays up and across. And reach. Gently come through the center. Hold somewhere between the knee and the ankle on the left leg. Stretch. Down. Reach. Lift up. One more in each direction. Lift up. Come back to center. Shoulder roll. Bring the soles of the feet together. Gently hold the ankles. Lift up through the body. So open out the shoulders, drop the shoulders down, scoop the belly button in, tall spine. Just drop the weight of the arms on the inner thighs. Push the soles of the feet together and draw the body forward. Just feel the stretch through the inner thighs. Keep breathing. Relax the body. Take the legs out in front. A bit of a shake. So lifting the body up tall through the spine. Arms come out wide. We sweep them up and over and fold the body forward and reach towards the toes. And take them out wide. Lift up and over. And reach, scoot the belly button in. Sweep the arms wide. Lift them up. Reach forward. Last one. Take the arms wide. Lift up. Sweep them forwards. Bring the body back to upright. Shoulder roll. That's it for the mat work. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you had fun. Join me again next time.